Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of management. Have you ever wondered how businesses and organizations run smoothly? Or what makes a good manager? Stick around and we'll break it all down for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is management? In simple terms, management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling an organization's resources to achieve specific goals. Let's break these functions down one by one. First up, planning. Planning involves setting objectives and determining the best course of action to achieve them. It's all about setting goals, identifying resources, and creating a roadmap for the future. Think of it as the blueprint for your organization's success. Effective planning requires foresight, strategic thinking, and an understanding of both the internal and external environments. Next, we have organizing. Once the plan is in place, it's time to arrange resources and tasks in a structured way. This means creating an organizational structure, assigning roles and responsibilities, and allocating resources efficiently. Good organization ensures that everyone knows what they need to do and how they fit into the bigger picture. Now, let's talk about leading. Leadership is about inspiring and motivating your team to work towards the organization's goals. It involves communication, motivation, and creating a positive work environment. A great leader is not just a boss, but a mentor, someone who encourages their team to grow and succeed. Finally, we have controlling. This function is all about monitoring progress and making sure that everything is on track. It involves setting performance standards, measuring actual performance, and taking corrective action when necessary. Control ensures that the organization's activities are aligned with its goals and allows for adjustments to be made when things go off course. So those are the four main functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Each function is crucial in its own right, but they all work together to ensure that an organization runs smoothly and effectively. Management is an essential aspect of any successful organization. Whether you're aspiring to be a manager or just curious about how businesses operate, understanding these core functions can give you valuable insights. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.